Welcome back to Festival Outdoors.
Alright guys, like you said, welcome back to another episode. Today, Frank and I are at everyone's favorite supercenter, Walmart. We got to go in there, we got to get a couple SD cards for the new camera that we bought, the DJI Osmo Action, because the micro SD cards that I had are not fast enough to actually record with the camera. So we're going to run into Walmart. We're gonna pick up those cards. We will probably pop over to the ice fishing session. Oh my goodness, words are hard. The ice fishing section, because in 2 days I'm taking Frank ice fishing for his very first time. So we're gonna check that out, see if there's anything else that we need. I got a lot of stuff already, but a little bit extra never hurts.
And vloggers, I forgot to tell you this, but I'm also getting toys, so remember that all the time. It is my favorite Walmart thing. I love Walmart.
All right guys, see you inside.
Oh my! Well, I had this when I was little, but wait, Daddy, wait right there. Well, since it's too big and I think it's expensive, but no. This is nice surprise, baby. What the?
Go ahead and tell him.
So I got kinetic sand, but this one has buried treasure, and this one is rainbow.
All right. That's all their ice fishing stuff right there. Rip. Woo! All right, got what we needed, folks. Now we're on our way home. I will see you guys on the ice.
Wave after wave, wave after wave, slowly.
Take it away, Frank. Hey guys, it is 2 days later from when you saw us at Walmart. We're here with Frank, and right out there's the lake. We're gonna get out there, get all set up, get to fishing. It's gonna be fun. Frank's first time. Frank, you got anything to say, buddy?
It's my first time, and I love you guys.
All right, we're recording, buddy. Look right here. See?
Yeah.
Got the second camera on. We got the DJI going up top.
Is there a fishing arm on here?
Not yet. We gotta set you up with some bait. Yep.
Okay.
Let me see your hook.
Here.
We're gonna,
Here it is.
gonna get some bait on there.
Wait, is that worms?
Yep.
What?
All right, you got some bait. So I'm gonna get you down there. Okay, ready?
Mhm.
And get it. Look at the screen.
Mhm.
Pretty soon, you see that right there? See that red line? That is your jig. Okay.
Yeah.
So we want to get that down to the bottom. Okay, that should go down to the bottom.
Did you get it down to the bottom?
Yep, you see it right there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, take it. Now, you wanna keep that red line down by the bottom there, buddy, okay? I'm gonna flip the screen. And that's what we're looking at, guys. 14, almost 15 foot, and that red line there is Frank's jig, and that's the bottom. So, buddy, we want to let a little bit of line out and get that down by the bottom. There we go. All right. And this is the part of ice fishing where you just kind of hang out. Wait for a fish to come by. Don't be afraid to move that around, buddy, okay? Jig it up and down and move it. Here, you want to see something? Like this. Okay, lift it up and down. Up and down. Let it hit the bottom. And bring it up out. Oh, Frank, take the pole. Take the pole. Take the pole, buddy.
Really?
Okay, no, don't reel. Don't reel. See that mark right there? That is a fish down there. So drop it back down to the bottom. Let that hit the bottom. And leave it there. Don't reel, okay? Hold on to the rod. Hold on to the rod. Okay. When I tell you, you pull up. Get ready, buddy.
Alright.
Hold on, we lost him. He went back down. He didn't like something. Didn't like something. Ooh, it's warm in here, huh? Window.
Tell you when.
This is the part of ice fishing I was telling you about, buddy. This is kind of where you just got to hang out and wait for the fish to come in. Okay?
Daddy,
What?
is there a mark there? Daddy, when can I reel? Because is there any more?
I don't know.
Hey, what is it about black? What is it black?
What black?
What is that black? That black right there.
Oh, the other camera?
No, that black.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
That's the water.
When is there gonna be a fish?
Hopefully soon, bud. Here, let me see. I hope we don't have to move spots. Sometimes in ice fishing, buddy, you gotta move spots.
Tell me when there's a mark so I can reel it in.
What are you doing? What are you eating?
Snow.
Stop eating the snow, it's dirty. Come on, buddy. Okay, ready? I gotta scoop out the hole a little bit. There's a little bit of ice in there. But there's definitely one down there. You see that little mark right there? Okay, ready? We're gonna get you down there. I got no idea if the camera's on us or not. But we're going for it, dude. Here we go.
Yeah, I can't wait. Teddy, is he on there?
I don't see him. I hope we didn't miss him. Oh, no, he's still there. There's a little bump down there.
This might to be alone.
Take it. Take the rod, buddy.
Why?
Look at all the... See all those marks? All right, dude, take the rod. Take the rod. And you're just going to do this, okay? Up and down, up and down.
Up and down, up and down, up and down.
Right in front of that camera. Pick it up a little bit. Perfect. Good job, buddy. Whew. It is chilly out.
Oh, my hands are getting cold.
Are they?
Yeah.
All right.
Ready?
What?
Where are we going? Daddy?
Yep.
If you find the fish, can you reel it in while I'm in the tent? Because my hands are literally freezing cold.
Okay. Go ahead. Take this camera with you. Do not drop it down the hole. Okay? Stay away from the hole.
Let's go. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but my dad is going fishing for me. Well, I'm in the tent, and then boom, and Daddy catches one. I'm gonna be big inside. Just in the hole. Daddy's only phone. For that.
Alright guys, we're in the shanty here. It's been a struggle.
And because I'm eating.
Frank's got his snacks, he was really excited about them. But
this is my first time it's getting dark, but I haven't caught the fish yet.
no, we haven't caught a fish yet. Go figure. I brought him to a lake where I've caught hundreds of perch and bluegill, thinking that, you know, I'd get him right on fish and get him his first ice fish, but sometimes this happens. I don't know. It stinks. But I'm gonna close out the video here, unless we catch a fish, then I'll turn the video back on. But I might go out, pop a couple more holes, but it's dark out, so won't be able to see anything on the video anyway. See what I can do. If not, please drop a like and subscribe for us. Maybe drop a comment. And we'll see you on the next one. Want to say bye, buddy? Frank, want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.